Transcend 3 Mini CPAP. Today, we are going to look at the new Transcend 3 Mini CPAP from Somnetics. I've unpacked this already so you can see the contents. The Transcend 3 is new and improved with a fresh look that's more modern and ergonomic. The Transcend 3 Mini CPAP package includes a 6-foot hose, AC power supply, a mini USB cord for computer connectivity, and a printed quick guide. It also includes a padded travel bag with a zipper closure and a set of international plugs so your mini CPAP is ready to use out of the bag. These are a $50 value that you get for free with your mini CPAP purchase. Transcend 3 is a new take on the original mini CPAP solution. This refreshed design keeps all the same features that made the mini CPAP one of the best-selling travel CPAP machines on the market, all while adding upgraded features like a modern design, a flat silicone base for greater stabilization, and a swivel nozzle for a more comfortable night's sleep. Turning the device on is easy. To begin, plug in your Transcend 3 Mini CPAP. The LED lights will flash, then turn off, signaling the CPAP is ready. Press the large button on top to begin therapy. Then press the smaller button below it to enable the ramp feature once the CPAP is in operation. With more power options than any other CPAP, the Transcend 3 is the most versatile portable CPAP in the world. The small but powerful P4 and P8 batteries are perfect for overnight stays or as backup power during outages. You can even use your mini CPAP on your next flight. With the DC mobile power adapter and solar battery charger options, you can even sleep off the grid. The Transcend 3 is a durable, quality CPAP backed by the industry's best warranty. It comes standard with a 3-year warranty and the option to upgrade to an extended warranty and protection plan so you can travel with peace of mind knowing your mini CPAP is covered. The free Transcend software lets you view your compliance data and adjust the comfort features on your CPAP. Visit www.mytranscend.com/support to download the software to your computer. Connect your mini CPAP to power, then to a computer with the included mini USB cord to download compliance data or adjust your comfort settings. Enjoy the freedom to sleep anywhere with Transcend 3 Mini CPAP. Whether you travel for work or play, its small size and variety of power accessories make it the most versatile portable CPAP for therapy on the go. Visit mytranscend.com for available accessories, specifications, and more information.